Hey everybody, this video is about how I pre-poo my hair, so let's jump right into the video. I hope you enjoy. The first thing I'll be doing is sectioning my hair off into 4 equal parts. Huh? What was I saying? Anyway, so right here I'm adding in my water, my oil mixture, and my deep conditioner / protein treatment. And I'll put a picture right here in the top corner. And actually it's really nice. I love the way my hair turned out, and so it's a keeper for me. I'll link the name of it in the place where I got it from in the description bar below. So I'm just continuing to finger detangle, and then I'm going to repeat the process on the rest of my 3 sections. I'm all finished now, so I'm going to put a plastic bag on my head, and then I'm going to sit under my hot head for about 20 minutes. When I'm done with that, I'll be back. That was hot. So once I get this bag off my head, we'll see how it goes. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I'm very happy. I am loving my results. I just cannot believe how my hair turned out. My hair needed this because, oh my God, it just needed this. This is something that I will be adding to my regimen monthly. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace and love. Mwah.